Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add volume to your TradingView chart. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to visualize trading volume alongside your favorite stocks, crypto, or forex pairs, giving you that extra edge when analyzing price movements. Volume can tell you so much about the strength behind a move, so let's get you set up the right way. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right in. First, head over to TradingView. Now, if you're new to this platform, you can simply open TradingView.com in your web browser. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can use most charting features for free, but logging in will let you save your charts for later. Once you're on the homepage, look up at the top for a button labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is TradingView's menu for all their tools and features, and Chart is what you want. Click into a chart. You can use any symbol or asset you want for this tutorial. Once your chart is open, your next stop is Indicators. You'll see a button at the top of the chart that says Indicators. It usually has a little magnifying glass or bar chart icon next to it. Give that a click. If you've never used indicators in TradingView before, this section can look overwhelming. But don't worry, we're just going to look for one specific tool right now. In the search box that appears, type the word volume. This will quickly narrow down the list and bring the standard volume indicator to the top. This is a core feature in TradingView, so you don't need to install anything fancy or third-party. Just click on volume. It's usually the very first result. The moment you select it, you'll notice colored bars appear at the bottom of your price chart. These bars represent the trading volume during each period, whether you're looking at minutes, hours, or days. Higher bars mean more activity, which can help you spot momentum or periods when a move might be losing steam. For instance, if you see a big price surge with barely any volume, that move might not be as strong as it looks. Volume acts kind of like a lie detector for price movement. Now let's talk a moment about customization. If you want, you can tweak the appearance and settings to better fit your style or analysis needs. You'll see a little gear icon next to the volume label at the bottom of your chart. Click that, and you'll open up the settings menu. Here you can change the color of the bars, the opacity, adjust the moving average line, and more. Play around with these options to find what's most readable for your eyes. If you're just starting out, the default settings work perfectly fine, but personalizing it can help your analysis pop. Think of it like choosing the right highlighters when studying. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've added and customized the volume indicator on TradingView. Remember, volume is a crucial piece of the puzzle when you're making sense of market trends and reversals, so coming back to it often will only make you a better trader. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tutorials about TradingView features. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.